Welcome to Tech. In this video I will tell you that how you can change the background of any picture. If you are new to my YouTube channel, subscribe my channel for tech related updates. So let's get started. First of all, open browser and search change background online. On top you can see the official website of remove.bg. Now click on upload image and select the image. So I will select this baby picture. So here you can see two options, background color and background image. First I will change background color. You can select any color. Now I will click on background image and you can see that you can change any background within a second. So if you like the video, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.